Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to explore categories in the Catawiki application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the categories button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, if you scroll back and forth, you will be able to see all the categories. So for example, if you're interested in fashion, then just click on that. And here there are more categories within fashion, so just click on the one that you're interested in. And here you will be able to see all the available bags that are currently in auction. So if you're interested in this Louis Vuitton handbag, then just click on that. And here you will be able to place a bid, and then you can see all the details of the bag, as well as the seller, and some payment options, and at the bottom of the page some similar items. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.